And on today's episode of What the Hell Does He Think He's Doing, because nobody else knows, I've got that far in the reconstruction. Mind you, I did just have a couple of days off because it's Minitron's birthday. I'm sure if I keep beating this piece here and use a lot of filler, I'm bound to get that to look sort of alright. But we have been sidetracked by Minitron's pit bike. Basically, Minitron is a lot closer to sea level than most people, so that is far too tall. That is the knackered thing that came off, which is far too long. That is as close as I could get to replacing it, but it's far too short. Talking of far too short, where's she off to? She's off somewhere. So at the moment, this lovely looking piece of crap is part of the adapter piece I've had to make in order to get that shock absorber to go in there. And after all that action, Minitron's done a fish. So I think we'll have to sit down and eat the fish. Later then.